Interlocking Microlocs. Today is the first day of my Microlock journey. Peep that grid. I installed these bad boys myself. Did your girl do a good job or what? I just wanted to give y'all a look at her before I complete my first retie next month. I have a new method that I want to try, using a lock tool with a crochet needle since it's hard for me to thread the locking tool. Stay tuned for my first retie. Okay, so it's been about 2 months and I've mostly been styling my hair in a bun. I used flexi rods in the front. I like how the flexi rods gives it that press look. $1,000 for a retie. Now I know I don't have 1,000 locks in my head, but you're gonna charge me $1,000 for a retie? That's $1 per lock. I don't think so. How many of y'all got $1,000 for a loctician every 2 months? I'm gonna show you how I retie my locks with this easy lock tool. And this crochet needle. I found this easy lock tool from Amazon. I think it was around $17, and it is the most gentle, easy tool to use. I like how it's curved, so it's easy to go under your lock. It's just so simple and easy. And it's made out of plastic, so there's no snagging. But then it's hard for me to thread my hair through this hole. That's kind of difficult to do for me with these nails. And so I use this crochet needle to thread my hair through. And what you're gonna do is just put your crochet needle in through the lock tool. And just pull it through. And that makes life so much easier, so much simpler. And once you get the hang of it, you'll just fly right through. Of course, it's a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, you just pop on a Netflix movie or, you know, listen to some good music, and the time would just pass so quickly. And before you know it, it'll be over. So I'm gonna show you a couple of times how it's done, and you can thank me later. So I locked my hair the first week of March. So it's been about 2 months that I've been locked. So far, I am loving it. I twisted my hair myself. I didn't twist all the way down to the ends. I left my ends out. And when I washed my hair, my ends curled up. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I like the curly end look, but I needed to learn how to retie my hair. I'm gonna use a 3-point method. It's pretty easy. It's been working for me. It's been giving me lots of body. My hair doesn't lay flat. So I think I wanna just continue to use that process. Okay, so let's get right into it. I've already started interlocking the back. I just wanted to hop on here and show you how the process goes. So this is the back of my head. I hope you guys can see this clearly. done this much. I'll let these 3 out. First, you're going to spread. I prefer not to use any gels to lay my hair down. I only use water to keep it moisturized during the process. Use your clip. Get this out of the way. So now you're going to take your crochet needle, stick it inside of your Easy Lock tool, like so. Then you're going to grab your hair and slide your crochet needle through the hole. And while you're holding it, you're just gonna go in through the right, go down, then you take it to the side and bring it in that way. Right. Go down. I don't like for it to be too tight on my roots, because then it'll start thinning. So that's good for now. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to stick the crochet needle into the lock tool. Pull it through. And make sure that you have your tool halfway down the sides of your lock. Because if you put it up too high, then it might slip off. So make sure that it's in the middle of your lock. And then take it, go to the right. Go down. Go to the left. Right. So I just decided to put my hair up in a bun. I'm going to give you a 360. That whole process took about 3 hours. Okay, loves, I hope you enjoyed this interlock tutorial. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.